Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa and in this week's video we are going to be doing another challenge video. This time it will be crochet and it will be how many hand towels can I finish in a week. I'm crocheting the tops of the hand towels. I will show you now. Like this. This is what I'm talking about. It's a little Christmas one, but this one needs a button still on it, but I just wanted to show you it. But I have started already and I will insert clips now of me crocheting some of these. anyway, so I can show you what I have done so far. It is currently Tuesday, and I am pretty busy the rest of the week, but I'm going to try to squeeze in a few more, and I will insert clips, and at the end of the week I will show you all of the towels I finished, and we'll see how many I got finished in a week. But so far I have a few. This one has Christmas ornaments, and these are all for sale, and they will be for sale. So if you're interested, comment down below and I'll reach out to you. But they all still need their buttons, but that won't take me very long. I'll do that at the end. Then I have this present one. Another one with the green at the bottom. This one doesn't have ornaments, but it matches the ornament one. Green polka dot. This is the same one, so you can have matching ones. And then 2 snowflake ones. Snowflakes on them. I also finished 2 other things, but I worked on them while I was at work, so I didn't film it. But here's another little pouch bag that I've been making a lot of because I like them. I just need to add the ribbon. And here is one more. I love the colors on this one. But that is what we are doing for this week's video, and so far we have 7 towels, and I have plenty more to crochet. So let's see how many we can get done the rest of the week. Let's get on with the video. Hello everyone, so I am back. It is now Wednesday in this week's video, but I am going to be super busy tomorrow and Friday. I have to post my video, so I am finishing this video today and I would like to show you what I got done. And if you don't remember, this video is a challenge video, as you can see by my intro and the title, but I was trying to see how many hand towels I could get made in a week. And it wasn't a full week, it was only like 3 or 4 days, but still it's a week in my video timeline. But yeah, I got quite a bit done. So here's the first one. It's kind of a set, but not really. I did this green color, but it's got ornaments on it. So that's 2 towels. And then I have these 2. They've got presents on them. So that's 4. Then I got this cute little owl finished. This Christmas cow one, I will be keeping this one. I have another one though. That will be for sale. 2 more that are snowflakes. And 2 that are green polka dots. So in total we finished 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 towels for the week, which is really good because I was also busy doing other things throughout the week, so I am very proud of this. But I do have a few more that I still need to finish, but they will be in next week's video. So thank you guys for watching this week's video, and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. I love hearing them. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.